Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can select or assign a parent component to your website components in the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the page of your website project. And then let me go with this part of my website project. And here guys, navigate to the navigator on the left-hand side. And you will see all parts of the given page, all components. So you can expand these or collapse these. So if you'd like to assign a new parent component within that navigator list, right click into it. For example, let us go with this list here. Right click into it, hover a mouse over select parent, and then choose one of these options that are available here. So I will go with body, and that is going to, as you can see, change the parent component of that one. You can also go with the other one here. And that's how it works, guys. Hover a mouse over select parent. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.